Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video here we'll be working on a Ford Edge, guys, but if you have Lincoln MKX, okay, the video will work as well, guys, because both of the vehicles share the same platform. We'll show you guys what needs to be done to remove or replace steering wheel airbags. Stay with us, guys, and we're going to cover everything from start to finish. First thing, guys, okay, we'll need to disconnect car batteries. Stay with us, we'll show you the correct way to do that and what else you need to do. Quick introduction, guys. Every single car we get at the shop, including this generation Ford Edge, guys, Ford Edge, excuse me, that would work on Lincoln MKX as well. We'll be making at least 200 videos, guys. Why? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you guys need any special tools, parts, replacement parts, any supplies for your shop, check out the link in the description of the video below, guys, and you can see where we get them usually from for a really good price and fast shipping as well. So let's go ahead and start on it now. First, guys, what we need to do, we need to disconnect the car battery for at least 1 hour before we, guys, mess with the airbags or anything like that. Why? Because that way, okay, the system will discharge and okay, the chance for something terribly bad to happen, it's less likely, but it still could happen. So if you guys not qualified and certified to work on airbags, don't do it. Consider this entertaining video and other how-to video, guys. So now we're going to disconnect the car battery by using a 10mm, okay, 10mm socket, and you're going to disconnect, okay, the negative terminal first. Always use gloves, guys, okay, always, because you have battery acid and stuff and you don't want that to be on your skin. So negative cable is disconnected. We're going to actually go ahead and put a towel or something in a little bit so it doesn't touch. Make sure under each one of them. Then second, you disconnect, guys, the positive. First the negative, second the positive. Okay, perfect. Make sure it's not touching anywhere, guys. Okay, make sure that everything is insulated really good. That way, guys, okay, things will not go bad. Now we'll wait 1 hour and we're going to continue, guys. So we'll just go ahead and place this one on the negative terminal, guys. Okay, we have one towel. Why? Because we want to avoid, okay, accidental contact. So we'll just go ahead and, okay, place it like that so it's not touching or anything at all. Now we'll wait 1 hour and we'll continue. Next, guys, we need to go ahead and go inside. Let me show you what we'll be doing here. Okay, we need to get a thin metal to something. Okay, let me focus because it's a little bit black, so it's hard to show you, okay, exactly what it is. Perfect, like that. The thinner the better. You can use even a hanger, guys. And if you bring your steering wheel, okay, to about right here, guys, you can just have it flat, straight, and there is a hole here, okay, that what I'm going to do, I will just go ahead and get that thing in. Okay, there is a metal clip. Now push in, and pull a little bit, okay, on this side, but be careful. Now what I'll do, I'll turn the steering wheel and bring it, okay, on this side. And we're going to do the same thing on this side now. Let me show you. One here. Okay, perfect. Now, what I'll do, I'll bring the steering wheel back so I can show you, but you don't have to. Okay. And here, guys, we're going to pull the airbag. Gently. Careful, guys. Okay, not to explode anything. Now those are the two connectors, okay, that we need to disconnect. And let me see exactly how those things work, because all of them are different, guys. So let me show you now, guys. Never ever use metal tools, okay, never do what I do here, but we'll actually go ahead and use this small screwdriver. Extremely careful. There is one spot where you can get under that plastic, okay, black plastic, okay, and pull it out. You have one now on this side, guys, okay, on the yellow one. Check it out. Perfect. Once you guys do all that, okay, let me show you now. You grab it, okay, pull them out gently, okay. That airbag can kill you, guys. Now airbag, when you store them, guys, okay, from what I read, you have to put them that way, not upside down. Always avoid having people around it because those things can explode, guys. You can see just like that. So that is, guys, the airbag you can see out of the car. That's how you guys remove it. Installation practically in reverse order. We took it apart. Make sure your car battery is not connected. Wait after you after you install it and reconnect your car battery, and make sure that you're not in the way when you first start the car, to make sure that thing doesn't explode, guys. So you can see that's how you guys do it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.